In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive files using Gmail. Let's get started with the process. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft website and enter your credentials. This is an important first step because accessing OneDrive requires you to be signed in. Once logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you'll see the Apps Launcher. When you click on this, you'll be greeted with a suite of Microsoft apps. Among these, locate and click on OneDrive to open it. Within OneDrive, there's a section called My Files. This area houses all your stored files and folders. Navigate through this list to find the specific file or folder you plan to share. After making your selection, search for the Share button. You'll typically find this Share button at the top of your screen. Clicking on it will prompt a new sharing window to pop up. In this window, you'll face several choices about how you'd prefer to share your file. Here, you can choose whether your recipients will have permission to edit the document or if they'll simply be able to view it. The default setting usually allows for view-only access, so it's a good idea to double-check these settings. Click on the option that ensures anyone with the link can view the file, guaranteeing that anyone who receives the link will have viewing privileges. Right below that, you'll discover an option for setting link permissions. It's important to ensure that the setting allowing anyone with the link to access the file is selected to prevent any access complications for your recipients. After reviewing your settings to confirm they're correct, hit Apply. This will lock in the choices you've made for your shareable link. At this point, you'll want to click on Copy Link, which will generate a link you can share with others. With the link copied, open up a new email in your Gmail account. Paste the OneDrive link directly into the body of the email. Feel free to include a message explaining what the link is for or providing additional instructions you think might be helpful for the recipient. Once your email looks polished and you're ready to share, hit Send. Your email, complete with the OneDrive link, is now en route to the recipient. They will be able to access the file directly through the link you've provided. And that's it. You've successfully shared a OneDrive file using Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.